Okay, hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to look at Mongo today. Now, this is a stock that Kramer featured on Monday. He had asked me over the weekend which stocks I liked. And I told him, well, aside from NVIDIA and SMCI, both of which are still in the Fitz-Fave categories, I liked AXON and then Mongo. And he decided to go with Mongo instead. On our active trade list, we went for both of them. And so both of these things are doing well. But what I want to do real quick here is give you kind of my take in two different time frames. So on both of these, so you can see how on Axon, this stock was really, I'll go ahead and get all this stuff off for a second. So this thing was really poised and ready to run right here, ready to bounce off, not ready to bounce, but it was squeezing right along the 50. And so you're kind of looking for that kind of move higher, and then it's off to the races. Here, okay. Mongo kind of gave you the same thing. We'll get rid of all the noise here. So you can see this was in a similar thing right here. Boom, just breaking out above here. And so both of these showed really good price action on the daily charts, right? Well, this is what I want to look at. Like this is on the weekly chart. This is what I had pointed out to Kramer. And I'd say we're almost there. Say that when you just look at the weekly chart, and we'll even get this off. When you just look at the weekly chart, you can get a clearer sense of what the stock is actually doing. This had a nice turnaround here. Obviously, this resistance was right here around 450 or so. And then now you'll see a whole bunch of stuff come on. But once the stock broke out above there, then we're looking for the next move higher, for the next target. And as you can see, you see where I'm looking at mine as 450. Now, Axon, same thing here. I took all the mud off of this. There's nothing extraneous on here, not even the grid with the date and the price. We just have two key moving averages, the 10 and the 40-week moving averages, and that's it. And you can see where if I'm looking at this stock, I don't recall ever seeing a chart that then did this, that had this kind of a price action and then just broke down, and the next thing you know, all the bulls got killed. They got eaten by the bears. I just haven't seen this. So instead, like, I look at this and I just want to be long the stock. I don't want to be looking at this anymore because I'll just get shaken out by things. So I just want to be long this stock and not micromanage it. I'll let between 9:30 and 4 on the weekdays, I'll let everybody who's trading the stocks then do with my stock whatever they want. I'm just going to stay long. And as long as this trend continues to go up on the weekly chart, I'll do something else other than try to make something happen. Something already is happening. Let's just let it happen. So anyway, that's all I got for you. I will see you on Monday after the big concert. I mean, after the big game in Vegas.